If you wake up feeling tired, even after a full night's sleep, you're not alone. Millions of people over the age of 60 struggle with morning fatigue, no matter how early they go to bed or how carefully they plan their nighttime routine. It's a frustrating feeling to open your eyes and realize you're not starting the day refreshed. But what if I told you there's a simple drink you can make every morning using just 3 ingredients that can help recharge your body at the cellular level and reverse that stubborn exhaustion? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll know exactly how to make it, and more importantly, why it actually works. As we get older, many things in our bodies slow down. One of the most important changes happens deep inside our cells, in tiny structures called mitochondria. You can think of mitochondria as microscopic batteries. They're what generate the energy that powers everything you do, from thinking and walking to digesting your food, and even repairing your tissues while you sleep. But as the years go by, these little energy factories don't work as efficiently as they once did. That's why, even on days when you haven't done anything strenuous, you might feel drained, sluggish, or like you're running on empty. It's tempting to reach for a strong cup of coffee, tea, or an energy drink to jumpstart your morning. While caffeine can deliver a quick jolt, it's important to remember that it only stimulates your nervous system without actually fixing the underlying problem. Caffeine doesn't recharge your batteries. It just flips a temporary switch that masks your fatigue. What your body really needs is not more stimulation, but a gentle recharge that supports true, lasting energy from the inside out. So, what's the answer? It turns out, the solution is both simple and natural. Here's the 3-ingredient morning recharge drink that thousands of seniors are loving, and it's as easy to make as it is effective. Step 1. Start with 1 cup of warm water, not hot, just comfortably warm. This gentle temperature wakes up your digestion and helps your body rehydrate after a long night's rest. Step 2. Squeeze in the juice of half a fresh lemon. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that supports cell repair and helps neutralize harmful free radicals that can drain your energy. Step 3. Add a pinch of natural sea salt and half a teaspoon of raw honey. The sea salt provides essential minerals and electrolytes, while the raw honey delivers a touch of natural glucose to jumpstart your mitochondria, the very engines of your cells. Give your drink a good stir, then sip it slowly. Let it settle in your body and wait about 10 minutes before eating breakfast. This simple routine can make a world of difference in how you feel for the rest of the day. But why does this particular combination work so well? It's a matter of supporting your body's natural processes on multiple levels. First, the minerals in sea salt help restore the hydration you naturally lose overnight. Most people don't realize that even a mild level of dehydration can lead to feelings of fatigue, fogginess, and irritability. When you replenish your fluid and mineral levels first thing in the morning, you're literally giving your cells the basic resources they need to function. Second, the vitamin C from the lemon juice acts as a powerful antioxidant. Over time, inflammation and oxidative stress can build up in our bodies, draining our energy and making us feel older than we are. Vitamin C helps to neutralize these effects, supporting your body's ability to repair itself and keep your energy levels stable. Third, the glucose in raw honey is a quick, natural source of fuel for your brain and muscles. Unlike the spikes and crashes caused by refined sugar or too much caffeine, this gentle boost helps your mitochondria fire up in a balanced, sustainable way. It's like putting high-quality fuel in your car before a long drive. Your body runs better when it has what it needs, right from the start. Together, these 3 ingredients work synergistically to support what really matters: your cellular energy. And when your cells have what they need, you'll notice it in every part of your day, from the clarity of your thoughts to the spring in your step. Don't just take my word for it. Mary, age 72, shared her experience. I used to need 2 cups of coffee before I could even think about starting my day. Now I drink this first thing in the morning, and I feel awake but calm. No jitters, no crash, just an even, steady energy that lasts. And Mary isn't alone. Many seniors have found that after just 2 or 3 weeks of adding this drink to their routine, the morning fog lifts, and those frustrating midday crashes start to fade away. It's not magic. It's simply restoring what your body already knows how to do, given the right support. If you're skeptical, you're not alone. But think about it. Every morning, your body is asking for just one thing: gentle, sustainable energy, not a forced rush or artificial boost. By starting your day with this natural recharge drink, you're giving yourself a chance to feel lighter, clearer, and more stable. Not just in the morning, but all day long. Try this simple drink for the next 10 days. Notice how your body responds. Do you feel more alert, more focused, perhaps even a little younger? Sometimes, the smallest changes can have the biggest impact, especially when they support your body's natural wisdom. Because feeling young again doesn't always require drastic changes, expensive supplements, or complicated routines. Often, it begins with how you start your morning, gently, naturally, and with intention. Thank you for joining us at Prime Life Health, where we're committed to helping you live strong, live well, and live long. We hope this simple morning drink brings a fresh energy to your days and a little more joy to your mornings. See you tomorrow.